Every morning, Lev jumps into the truck like it's time to roll. He climbs up to the windshield and takes his spot. Now he's ready for the day. Lev is the most experienced truck driver you'll ever meet. Nothing gets past him. Lev always keeps the road in line. And the wipers too. He knows where everything is. And when it's time for a break, he gets the toy out himself. People can't believe a cat can travel thousands of miles like that. At first, even his mom thought it wouldn't work. A few years ago, Lev and Viktoriia moved to Poland. Viktoriia's husband is a truck driver and always wanted his family beside him. So when they reunited, he said, "What if Lev hit the road with us?" At first, Viktoriia had her doubts. After all, Lev had always been a house cat and never traveled far. But then he saw the truck and hopped in like a pro. He quickly claimed the window panel as his prime spot for the best view. Now, Lev's so used to the road life that he turns even the longest drive into fun. In just 2 months, he's made it over 20,000 miles across Europe. He loves watching new cities and people go by. His wide eyes say it all. And then, if the view gets boring, he curls up in his own sleeper bed. Good luck waking him up. Viktoriia never thought her cat would turn into a furry co-pilot. But now, she can't imagine their truck life without him. Lev makes every trip unforgettable, and they feel so lucky to share this journey with him.